We'll also be flipping out. What was first?
What are you talking about?
I don't know what I went on there. Let's not forget that this is a shut up.
I hate those fucking things.
So we've just spent 500 quid on this shed. It came with a roll of felt, a bag of clout nails, probably worth 20-25 quid. If we're lucky, that will last 5 years. But if you want something that's going to last 50 years, comes in one piece and is really easy to install, then we've got these SkyGuard EPDM shed kits. Let's not forget this did cost 500 quid, and if you're anything like me, you've probably got thousands of pounds worth of tools or garden equipment in there. The SkyGuard kits come in pre-cut sizes that are designed to fit most standard sheds. So in this series of videos, we'll show you exactly how quick and easy it is to install. We'll also be doing a comparison video where EPDM goes up against shed felt, so you can make your own mind up if it's worth the investment.